Republic TV continues attempts to slander India Today, and all of that is now falling flat because the Mumbai police have come on record to clarify that India Today was not involved as projected by the accused. Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh said that one of the witnesses named India Today in the FIR, but after the investigation, after the probe, neither BARC nor witnesses nor the accused named India Today. Mumbai Police specifically said that the FIR has Republic TV and two other Marathi channels, that's Fakt Marathi and Box Cinema's name. The investigation into these channels' conduct is still underway. India Today has also accessed an eyewitness account of a TV barometer holder who says that he was offered 400 rupees, that's monthly payment, if he played Republic on his television, even if he wasn't watching.
Please tell us what exactly is the situation regarding an FIR that was filed and the investigation, and why the CP named specific channels. Give us clarity, because an attempt has been made to suggest the FIR named India Today. So why India Today was not named? Why were only certain channels named? Please give us clarification, sir.
Yes. In the FIR, there is certainly the name of India Today which is mentioned. However, the accused that we have caught and the witnesses that we have recorded statements of, they have not really substantiated the name of India Today as of date. However, they have specifically mentioned the names of Republic TV, Fakt Marathi and Box Cinema. So, as per the evidence collected from the accused and the witnesses, our investigation is proceeding. The canvas of investigation is completely open. It is not that we have closed investigation on any particular channel. As per the evidence is brought before the investigation team, the investigation will proceed.
So what you are saying is the FIR named certain channels, but the investigation found so far the evidence, according to the people you have investigated, came up only against these three channels. Am I correct? Therefore, you are making a distinction that the FIR named India Today, but nothing was found against India Today. But your evidence so far has only come up with these three channels.
Yes, as of now, the FIR sets the ball in motion, and as per the evidences collected, that is what the CP has stated in his press conference.
So FIR named several channels, but the investigation has found three channels so far, is what you are clarifying to us. So that clarification... Yes.
FIR has named India Today as the channel. However, the same accused, when he gave the statement, he mentioned other channels, and he has not substantiated this for India Today, nor the witnesses, the households where we went and inquired. They also did not substantiate the name of India Today. However, as I told you, that option is not yet closed. We are still collecting evidences, and we will proceed as per the evidences collected.
Now, we also spoke to a witness. Sahil Joshi had this conversation with this witness about this entire case and whether she had indeed named India Today.
हाँ तेजल जी, मैं साहिल बोल रहा हूँ इंडिया टुडे से।
हाँ बोलिए सर।
ये आपका हमने अभी फोनो सुना, आपको हमारे तरफ से किसी ने कांटेक्ट किया था क्या कभी?
नहीं सर।
तो आप शांति से सोच के बताइए। फिर आपने उसमें ये बोला कि आपके बच्चों को किसी ने कांटेक्ट किया था।
वो मुझे कुछ रिपब्लिक से फोन आया था, और हाँ। उसमें बार बार फोन कर रहे थे 10 बजे के बाद कि फोन आया था, फोन कर रहे थे मुझे, ये चैनल आ रहा है, देखो आप देखो, ऐसे बार बार मुझे बोल रहे थे, पर मेरे में सब्सक्राइब ही नहीं है।
आप कह रही थी आपके पास इंडिया टुडे सब्सक्राइब नहीं है?
नहीं है सर।
अच्छा, तो आपको किसी ने कुछ पैसे दिए हैं आपके बच्चों को कोई चैनल देखने के लिए, इंडिया टुडे या किसी को, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
नहीं सर, कभी किसी ने भी नहीं बोला है। आपको अगर चाहिए तो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट भी भेज सकती हूँ अभी।
आपने इंडिया टुडे को आप इंडिया टुडे देखिए ऐसा करके आपको कभी किसी ने फोन नहीं किया, ये आपका कहना है?
हाँ।
इससे पहले भी कभी नहीं किया या अभी कभी नहीं किया?
नहीं, इससे पहले भी कभी नहीं किया उसने।
कभी नहीं किया?
कभी भी नहीं।
ये विशाल नाम का कोई आदमी आपको कभी फोन करता था क्या?
सर विशाल तो ये क्या बैरोमीटर वाले आते थे ना, वो बैरोमीटर वाले विशाल आ रहा था, वो विशाल का कोई आ नहीं रहा था।
अच्छा,
उसका फोन कुछ भी फोन नहीं आ रहा था।
लेकिन कोई चैनल देखने के लिए उसने कभी आपको नहीं बताया?
नहीं बताया सर।
अच्छा, तो फिर रिपब्लिक को जो आपने दिया है वो आपको फोन कर रहे थे इसके लिए आपने बताया, ये आपका कहना है?
इंडिया टुडे बोल रहे थे सर, वो मुझे बता रहे थे कि मुझे लगा कि ये इंग्लिश चैनल हो गए थे सर, ऐसा लगा कि बच्चे लोग देख रहे होंगे, तो मैंने बोला कि हाँ बच्चे लोग देखते होंगे, ऐसा ही बोला था सिर्फ मैंने।
अच्छा, लेकिन आपको कभी इंडिया टुडे से कभी किसी चीज कि आप फोन करो, आप चैनल देखो, इसके लिए पैसे देने के लिए आपको इंडिया टुडे की तरफ से या विशाल की तरफ से कभी नहीं कहा गया?
नहीं।
So that witness clearly stating that she never was called to watch India Today. There was a certain reason she put out the statement in the first place, is because she was being hounded. Saurabh Bhaktania is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Saurabh, good morning. There's an attempt here to try and create a certain narrative that India Today's name has cropped up several times in the FIR. I want you to put it on record for us as to what the Mumbai police has said so far on this.
Very good morning, Akshita. Let me tell you, we have the FIR copy which has been registered by the Mumbai police stating 2 accused. Now, let me tell you very clearly, the FIR mentions India Today, but it does not accuses India Today. This is the most important point we should mention, that FIR may mention n number of people. Mentioning is a statement which is given in the FIR. But as an accused, there is no mention of India Today at all. Now, all the accused who are arrested in this whole case, be it the witness in this whole case, they have not mentioned India Today at all. This is the Mumbai Police Commissioner, the Joint Commissioner, both the top cops have clearly told. They have also told us that none of the accused or the witness have mentioned the name of our channel, the India Today group. Now let me make you more things very clear, that the accused and the witness have named Republic in their statement. They have clearly stated that they were paid, they were bribed to watch Republic. And not just once, they were approached several times. Now, very importantly, Akshita, the investigations by the Mumbai police official clearly state the transaction. The Mumbai police officials have enough evidence and proof to prove that there was some amount of money which was being paid through the accused to these witnesses for watching Republic channel. So this is a big information which the Mumbai police officials on record have told us, that yes, there was some amount of bribe which was being paid to all these people to watch Republic. So this is the big cheating game being done by the Republic media to cheat the people of India in the name of fake TRP.
The
Mumbai
police
police investigation is not
Yes.
going to stop over here, Akshita.
I want to focus on that as well. Saurabh, I'd like to thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.